Bored of the default app icons on your Vivo phone? Good news! You don't need to install a third-party launcher to give your phone a fresh new look. In this video, I'll show you how to change the app icons on your Vivo X300 Ultra, X300 Pro, X300, and X300 FE in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Home Screen, Lock Screen, and Wallpaper. Tap Icon Style or Icons, depending on your software version. You'll see multiple built-in icon packs available for your device. By default, set Minimal Icon Style. Tap on More to set Exquisite Style. Tap on Exquisite and tap Apply button. Tap More Icon Style to download third-party app icon to your Vivo phone. Once you've selected an icon style or icon shape, you may also have additional customization options, including square or rounded corners, increase or decrease icon size, show or hide icon name. Your home screen and app drawer app icons will update instantly. Tap on Reset to reset app icon to default settings. For the best results, choose an icon style that matches your wallpaper. If you're also interested in customizing your lock screen or always-on display, we've already created separate tutorials for those. Check the links in the description or tap the I button to watch them. And that's how you can change the app icons on your Vivo X300 Ultra, X300 Pro, X300, and X300 FE. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.